Hey everyone, are you having source errors in NotebookLM? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common NotebookLM source problems and get your documents working correctly step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and open the notebook with the source issue. Next, check the document that is causing the problem and review the error message shown by NotebookLM. Now make sure your file format is supported. I mean, unsupported file types or damaged documents can prevent NotebookLM from processing your sources correctly. Next, check your document size and make sure it meets NotebookLM's upload requirements. If the source is a PDF, open the file and confirm that the text is readable. Scanned images or unclear documents may need text extraction before uploading. Next, remove the problematic source from your notebook and upload it again. If you are using a Google Drive source, check that you have the correct permissions and that the file is accessible from your account. Make sure your internet connection is stable while uploading and processing documents. If the issue continues, try creating a new notebook and adding the source again to check whether the problem is related to the current project. Finally, keep your documents organized and use clean, properly formatted files to avoid future source errors. And that's how to fix NotebookLM source errors. By checking file formats, permissions, document quality, and upload settings, you can solve common source issues and continue analyzing your information with NotebookLM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.